So guys, guess what we have here? Take a look. Just make a guess. What do we have here? This is what we call breadfruit. And this is the roasting one. And the way you know, you can tell that it's roasting breadfruit is by the weight. If you feel it like this and it's kind of lightweight, then you know you have the right one for roasting. We also have the greener ones, and we pretty much put that in soup, or you can just boil it and eat it like that. And you might wonder why it is called breadfruit, and it's just what it is. It tastes just like bread, but in the natural form. And guys, if you take a look, you see where I made a cross right there, an X. Yeah, I'll say you are doing that because you want the heat to penetrate the breadfruit and speed up the cooking process. And also it comes with a stem. You can just use your hand to wring it out, or you can just take your knife and gore it out. And guys, this is what we have here. This is what it looks like. This is a small one, and it's very expensive. Back home, you know, everyone pretty much has like a breadfruit in the backyard or just somewhere. We can just go pick one off the tree. But here it's so expensive. You know, you can't afford it really. And like I said, guys, I just feel it's been a while I have not eaten a breadfruit, and I just feel like eating some breadfruit today. So I decided to take you guys along with me. Before we get started, my name is Sonia. If you're new here, welcome. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. If this is something for you and you like, you know, breadfruit, whether you boil it, you roast it, you fry it, then subscribe, like the video, share it, comment. I need your comment. And before we put our breadfruit in the oven, we are going to wrap it in file paper, just like this. So you want to take your file paper and you want to wrap it really good. You can also roast it on top of your stove, but as for me, I can't do that because my alarm system is very sensitive, the smoke detector, so I cannot put it on my stovetop. So that's the whole reason why I'm putting it in my oven to roast. So we're gonna give it at least an hour, and then we are gonna come on back and test for doneness. So an hour later, guys, let's check on our breadfruit. It's feeling soft. I have a feeling it is done. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and check. So we're just gonna lay it there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna test. So let me get a knife or something. So I have this little knife here, and I'm just gonna test to see if my breadfruit is done. So what you want to do is just take the file paper off, and I need something to hold this breadfruit. It's very sticky at this point, the outer layer. So as you can see, guys, this is what it looks like so far. See, there's a lot of steam coming out of there. So let's just lay this here, and we're just gonna use the knife and run it through the middle here. So this is in the middle here. There's a thing in there that they call the heart of the breadfruit, and you can tell that it's cooked when you run your knife through it and it just went in easily. If it's hard to go down, then you know you need to go some more. So here we go, guys. So you see how easily that goes down into the heart of the breadfruit. We're gonna try it again to make sure. But I think I need to let it go a little more to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna go ahead and rewrap it and put it back for another, like I'll say another half an hour or so, or less. We'll see. So I'm just gonna put some more fat so that we can cover the breadfruit completely. So let's just put it back in for another 30 minutes, like I said. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check on my breadfruit a second time. It should be done by now. Yep, feeling very light. And we're gonna give it another test. So let's try this again, guys. Yep. So I'm just gonna pinch off a small piece right here. You see, guys? See how that looks? And we're just gonna test it out. Yeah, it is ready. It is done. So I'm gonna show you how to go about peeling the breadfruit. So first of all, let's get something to put it on. I'm just gonna get a piece of file paper and lay it on my counter. Just like this. And so we're gonna just start the peeling. So you just wanna just peel out the skin like that. Then you go over here and you're gonna continue until you get it all done. So this is very, very hot. Normally you let it cool out a little, but I think I can handle it. So you're pretty much peeling off the skin so so you're gonna continue doing that until you get it all out. So we're almost there. See? So you keep turning it around until you get it all off. So it's looking good so far. So let's just lay it there. I'll go ahead and cut it down the middle. So here we go, right through the heart of the breadfruit, guys. See? Voila. Look at this, guys. This is the heart. You see that middle part there? That is what you call the heart of the breadfruit. So let's go down another time. See that? And that's how you cut it open. How nice that look. Steamy. and everything. That is your roast breadfruit. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off a small piece and taste it to see if it's really done. See, so you want to cut out the middle because you don't want to eat that part. So this is what it looks like, guys. See how nice that look? So I'm going to just taste it. Oh man, this is so soft, nice. It tastes better than bread, guys. This is natural bread. So what I'm going to do at this point, I think I'm going to fry part of it to show you how to go about it. So you can, like I said, you can eat it just like this. You can also go ahead and fry it. So I'm going to show you how to fry it. So let's go ahead and just cut out all the hearts of the breadfruit. So just like this, guys. You want to take your knife and go around it like this and just cut it out. Cut around it. See? This is the heart. You don't need this. We only need this part. That's the breadfruit. So we're going to discard that area. And we're going to cut it again. Cut out the heart. Just like that. Don't need that. That is what we need. And this is what you're going to do, guys, until you get it all out. Just take your knife and cut it out. Just like that. Breadfruit is a staple in my country. It is a part of your everyday meal because it's there in abundance. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to. Okay, guys, so I have my pot on my stove and it's already heated. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to fry your breadfruit. So let's put this flame on medium. And here we go, guys. So you want to cut it in thin slices, just like this. And see, and you lay it in your oil. Let's make another one. And you fry like, let's say 2 minutes on each side, because it's already done. We just want to fry it to get some color and some crispiness. So that should be good. And that's your fried breadfruit, guys. The other portion, we're gonna eat it just as is. Just like that. So, that's it, guys. Roast breadfruit, Jamaican style. Yeah, man. Better than bread. All natural. Find this in the tropical, the islands, Florida. You think you can find it down in Florida also, and all those places. And it's, so we're gonna go ahead and turn our breadfruit over on the other side. So as you can see, you see how nice and brown that is. It is as easy as that, guys. So just flip it over and you are done. Give it another minute or two on this side and you are all done. So we're gonna take them out the oil and lay them on our plate right here. So you see how nice that look, guys? And you can just turn this one over so we can crisp up the other side right there. Get it all uniform and nice. And that's it, guys. Your fried breadfruit. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my flame because we are done. So this is what it looks like, guys. Both fry and roast. So we're gonna take the rest out and just lay them over there. Huh? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Huh? What do you got to say about that? Just a simple little fruit found in the tropical islands. So it's pretty much bread on a tree. Go ahead, go to your backyard and just get one, and voila, you have bread. You don't have to go to the store to go buy bread. It's right in front of you over here. So you could say you have bread on a tree in your backyard, or whatever you want to say.